Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase volume without buttons on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. Here you need one additional application to adjust the volume without buttons on your device. Okay, please download the volume control application on the Play Store. And then just open the application and here you can adjust the volume without pressing the button. Likewise, when on the home screen, you can also adjust it with the following steps. Well, that's the tutorial on how to increase the volume without a button on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.